Are you for real? So that is a farmer, food producer, seller going around on his truck with the product in his trunk, just going around with those speakerphones blaring some sort of nonsense to get people's attention to buy his stuff. One thing's for sure, I'm never going to buy from someone like that. That's so annoying. And it's not just like around the school. Sometimes, it just happened last week, at my house, near my house, around my house. What was it, like 9 p.m.? I heard like pretty much the same kind of gibberish coming out. And, you know, like timing is everything. Nighttime is not one of those times you want to sell anything like that. Or even like, sometimes they have like political things coming out, political messages coming out of the speakers. And then if elections are coming up, yeah, there's that stuff. And then there's also, you know, with like religion, especially like Christianity, it's so big here. Yeah, like they'll go around with those trucks or in buses or vans or whatever, just like with those things with their messages blaring. Anyways, that's one way not to get somebody interested. You know, even if I don't understand what they're saying, like, some emotions are universal, and that is annoying. That is so annoying. So, anyways, just wanted to talk about that sort of aspect of this culture.